Even my husband and my family. They treat my son and I like an outcast. Since you are not accepted by anyone in this world, God, we have decided to come to you. Please, accept us. Kenna, my son. I don't want to leave you. I don't want to leave you in this world. I don't want to leave you in this wicked world. God. Please accept us. Kenna, come. Come. Come, my son. Come. Oh, God.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.